Hello everyone. In this session we'll see how to find the rank of a matrix. Find the rank of the following matrix 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, minus 3, minus 6 and minus 9. To find the rank of a matrix, first we have to convert the matrix into echelon form. And in the echelon form, the number of non-zero rows gives the rank. Okay, first we'll see what is an echelon form. First I'll write an example 1, 2, 3. 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. In this example, the number of starting 0 in echelon form, the number of starting 0 should be in the increasing order. That is, the starting 0 means, see the first row. This is the first non-zero element. Is there any 0 before this non-zero element? No. Therefore, the starting 0 is 0. In the second row, this is the first non-zero element and there is 1 0 before it. Therefore, the starting 0 is 1. And the third row, the starting 0 is 2 and the last row it is 0 row. And the zeros are 3. So, the number of 0 is in increasing order. And also, all the 0 row comes at the last. Therefore, this matrix is in echelon form. And in echelon form, the rank is found by the number of non-zero rows. There are 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, rank is equal to 3. So, in echelon form, rank is equal to number of non-zero rows. And in this example, the rank is 3. Now, we will find the rank of the given matrix. The given matrix is 1, 2, 3, 2, 4, 6, minus 3, minus 6 and minus 9. First we'll convert the matrix into echelon form. So first we'll do is convert these two terms to 0. That is convert R2. R2 gives R2 minus 2R1 and R3 gives R3 plus 3R1. Okay, so this becomes 1, 2, 3 and the first these two digits becomes 0. And the next terms will be, here it will be 4 minus 2 into 2, this is 0. This is 6 minus 3 into 2 which is again 0. This is minus 6 plus 3 into 2, 0. Minus 9 plus 3 into 3 again 0. So this matrix is now in echelon form. Now how many non-zero rows are present? 1. Therefore, rank of this matrix is equal to 1. Next question. Find rank of the matrix 1, 2, minus 1, 2, 4, 6, 0, 0 and minus 8. So, first we will convert the given matrix into echelon form. That is, R2 gives R2 minus 2R1. Okay. First we will convert this row, second row. This becomes 1, 2 minus 1. That is, here becomes 2 minus 2 which is 0. Next term is 4 minus 2 into 2. That is 0. Next is 6 minus 2 into minus 1. That is 6 plus 2. That is 8. Next row will be 0, 0 and minus 8. Now here the starting 0 is 0. Here it is 2 and here it is 2. Now we have to make this starting 0 as 3 to make this in increasing order. Okay, so what we'll do? So make this row as 0. Therefore R3, convert R3. R3 gives R3 plus R2. This is 1, 2 minus 1, 0, 0, 8 and in last row it becomes, this becomes minus 8 plus 8 which is 0. Now here the starting 0 is 0, it is 2, it is 3. Now we got the echelon form. And in the echelon form, we will find the rank as the number of non-zero rows. Here there are 2 non-zero rows. Therefore, rank is equal to 2.